you're experiencing connection errors while playing League of Legends, follow these steps to troubleshoot and improve your connection stability. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test and checking for any interruptions. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth. Programs like streaming services, downloads, or other online games can affect your connection quality while playing League of Legends. Step 3. Change DNS settings. Switching to a different DNS server can improve connection stability. You can change your DNS settings to use Google DNS 8.8, 8.8, and 8.8, 4.4 or Cloudflare DNS 1.1, 1.1. This can help reduce latency and connection errors. Step 4. Use a wired connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired Ethernet connection. Wired connections are generally more stable and can help reduce lag and connection issues during gameplay. Step 5. Repair game files. If the problem persists, use the League of Legends client to repair your game files. Open the client, go to the settings, and select the option to repair. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing connection errors. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your connection stability while playing League of Legends. If issues continue, consider reaching out to Riot Games support for further assistance.